Sometimes it's just like not a butts out kind of day. There are people walking by and now I feel awkward. Hey guys, welcome to the Split Seed where the moment is right now. My name's Jenny and today we're gonna do a quick little thrift with me because, you know, sometimes you're just in the mood to go to the thrift store. I just rolled up to my local Goodwill. They opened a few minutes ago. It looks like it's gonna be maybe a little busy in there this morning, and I am enforcing the thrifting no more than 3 items rule this time. I really don't want to bring a lot more like stuff into my life, but thrifting is still like a hobby that brings me joy and peace and happiness, so we're finding a compromise here. Also, I listened to the new Charlie XCX album this morning, and I didn't love it, but also it was a vibe, so I'm kind of conflicted and confused, and I don't know how to explain how that's affecting me this morning, but it's like somehow put me in a weird mood. Not in a bad way. I'm just like contemplating. So anyways, that's what we're working with this morning. So let's go into Goodwill and see if I can find 3 things or less that I want to bring home. When I first got inside this trip, I went straight for the men's t-shirt section first because I really wanted to look for some more kind of oversized tees. I feel like my collection is lacking a little bit in like more plain style t-shirts. So I found that brown one that I kind of liked, the little stripe on it. But other than that, I didn't really find anything that was too tempting. I thought these little floral pots were cute. They had a lot of teacups. And then this little handmade pottery bowl. I really liked the brown tones in this. This autumn-themed cake plate was so cool, but I have absolutely no reason to own that. And then this little footstool would be so cute if it was reupholstered with a different fabric. I looked pretty thoroughly through the entire dress section, which didn't have a ton of good stuff this time. It was a lot of kind of fast fashion-y type stuff, but I did find a few things that I liked. And one of them was this, oh no, not that. I mean, I found that too in the dress section, but I'm talking about this red one. I don't wear a lot of red, so I knew I didn't want to pick it up, but it was so cute, like the cut and these little nautical rope button details. I thought that was super cute. And then in the athletic section, I came across a like vintagey, probably Y2K faded glory denim mini skirt that was very cute. No pockets on the back. It had the little side pocket details and like the red accents, so I thought that was a cute find too. And then these kind of Americana all metal candlesticks. I liked those too. I was drawn to the plaid pattern and the color palette on this. I guess it's kind of like a golf shirt. It was like a weird swishy material though. And then whenever I spot these double collared crew necks, I always look to see if they have a funky pattern on the front. I didn't love those two though. But then there was this handmade like quilted wallet with the lace. I thought that was so cute. It was just like a little too USA red, white, and blue colored, but super cute. This furry box took me straight back to my childhood. And then this wind chime was so pretty. It was handmade out of clay, but a lot of the mushrooms were broken, so I didn't get it. And then I always check out the mug wall, even though I absolutely do not need any more mugs. They're just so fun to look at, and I did find a couple that I thought were pretty cool. I liked this little flower one, super cute. And then I loved the coloring on this handmade pottery mug. but it had a big chip in the bottom of it. And then there was this very kind of 90s horse mug with some artist name on the bottom that I thought was pretty neat. And then there was this entire set of stemmed glassware with the vintage yellow. Oh my gosh, like if you bought that whole set, it would be beautiful in a cabinet. And then this little planter I just thought was very cute too. There was a very beautiful framed art print and then also a pair of green candlesticks, but I don't usually buy stuff in these bags. Okay, I found a quiet corner to try and sort through my stuff and make some decisions on the three items or less that I want to keep. They're playing like dad classic rock hard in here though, so I might not talk very much and just show you. Even though I really like this and it feels really comfortable, it's just like super worn and nothing special, so I think I can say no to this one for sure. I picked this up because I've really been liking this other oversized tank top I own lately, and I kind of want another one, but this one is just like giving a little bit too much gym bro, so I think I can say no to this too. This was another oversized tank top I was considering, but the material is like really slippery and stretchy, which I don't really like, and I don't really like the neckline, so it's a no. I got everything, so I will show you when I get home. All right, I am back. I washed everything and I did end up having 3 items that I felt like I wanted to bring home, and they all kind of match and go together. So the first thing is a top. The first thing all these things have in common is the quality of the material. And so for this top, it is just a super high quality cotton, like thick, comfortable tunic top. I decided to thrift this for a number of reasons. Obviously, like I just said, the material is super high quality, comfortable, soft, durable, thick cotton. It also has pockets, which is such a plus, because then I can wear this top with pants that are maybe like a little bit tighter, or like pants that don't have pockets, and I'm still covered with this. It's also like a really nice length. It goes down far enough to like cover my hips and my butt when I don't want my butt to show. I don't know if anybody else has that experience where sometimes it's just like not a butts out kind of day. I don't know. Anyways, sorry. But that's how I feel about this top. It's a good length, it's a good fit, and it is just in line with the kind of clothes I've been wanting to wear lately, so I know it's gonna get a lot of wear this summer. I also really liked the color of it. It's a very earthy kind of gray, reminds me of like a river rock or something like that, and I just really liked it. So the next piece I decided to pick up was definitely a little bit of a gamble, and I think it's gonna work, but they're not perfect, I will admit. And that item is this pair of really comfy linen pants. So we have another item that is very natural and nature inspired in color. It's a very earthy gray tone with a little bit of a blue undertone, I would say. And again, like, it's just the quality of these that got me. I've been really enjoying this look lately of a loose, flowy, comfortable, like organic-y, linen-inspired, nature-inspired, relaxed look to clothing. And so these pants totally fit that vibe, and I could just see it going with a lot of stuff I currently have in my closet. The gamble was I didn't know if they would fit me right. And I will say, on a scale of 1 to 10 on satisfaction with how these fit, I am falling probably right around, honestly, like a 5. Like, they will do. I will wear them and they're not uncomfortable, but they don't fit me in like the perfect way that I wish they fit me. They're a little bit tighter around the hip area than I would want them to be, a little more low rise, and then also they're just a little bit more cropped. I wish they were slightly longer and more baggy and loose around the legs. But for my first pair of breezy linen pants that I've ever owned, I think these are a good starting point and something I will definitely wear. If I ever found another pair of pants super similar to this that had a slightly better fit, I would probably switch these out for a new pair. But for the time being, I'm really happy I got these because it's been an item that I've been enjoying seeing on other people. I've been inspired seeing these kinds of pants in other outfits online and things like that. So at least now, even though they're not absolutely perfect, I can also play around with this style and silhouette and maybe go for a better fit sometime in the future. And I saved the best piece for last, my favorite thing of this trip, and it, again, follows the theme of just being the most delicious linen cottony fabric ever, and it is this kind of puff sleeve linen dress. So you can see the vibe here. Everything I picked up is super comfortable, organic cotton and linen in neutral tones. This happens to be a really nice, like, cream beige color linen dress, and it all just flows together so nice. There were lots of selling points to me on this dress too. I really liked the little puff sleeve detail. I think it is adding just enough character and personality and like interesting shape to this kind of basic plain fabric, but not in a way that is making me feel like it's too over the top for a time when I've been feeling a little bit more like subdued in my outfit choices in general. This dress also has pockets that blend in really well with the shape of the skirt. They don't make it look like weirdly shaped, the pockets. They just fit in so nicely. And as we know, having a pocket is a game changer. So yeah, I am very happy with all three of these pieces that I decided to take home with me today. I think I've said it in a video before, and it happens to me all the time where things just happen to kind of go together in a thrift trip for me a lot of the time. And this time I'm so happy that that theme happened to be organic fabrics, earthy, natural like vibes and comfort. Like what better theme could you have? And thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I like to make videos about thrifting, secondhand fashion, putting together thrifted outfits, thrift flips, and art themed videos. So if you like any of that kind of content, I would love for you to stick around, come back again. You can subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. That would be much appreciated. And until my next video, I will just see you guys next time. So goodbye.